Hey everyone, it's Cajun DIY Diva. I am back with another hotel room tour. So before we get started, please click the subscribe button and let's check out this room. We are at the International House Boutique Hotel in New Orleans. So let's check out this room. So we'll start from the door. And you walk in, jazz musician, artwork. It's a photograph. And I'm not sure who that jazz musician is. Let's check out the closet. It has a luggage rack. There's a blow dryer up there and an ironing board. I think this is a new hotel and they do not have safes yet in the room. So here is the bathroom, and it is a very large shower stall, no bathtub, potty, and we have, let's check out the products they give you. So there you go. There's Aveda soap, and these are Aveda products, so that's pretty nice. Towels with the International House logo, bath mat, cute shelf in the shower. So let's come over here and check out the room. So I will tell you that they have these disposable black masks at the front desk in case you didn't bring your mask. So we have this is like a standard king room, I believe. So you'll have a little small desk with a chair with a slipcover on it. Let's see. There's a few things in the desk, and instead of the regular Bible, there's that book. So here is the storage. It's a smaller TV than some hotel rooms, but that's fine. I don't plan on, you're in New Orleans, I don't plan on watching TV. There is a refrigerator. It is not a mini bar, so there's nothing in there. And there are some drawers for storage. But it does have a pretty big closet, so we probably wouldn't even use those. The chair looks quite comfy, and there is your nightstand on this side. I am not seeing much in the way of USB ports. Let's see if there's one on here. There are USB ports on this little clock. So in case you need a USB port, you can use that. Let's check out the view. Okay. You've got some of historic downtown New Orleans over there. And here's the neighboring building, and it's just buildings. There's one of the very tall buildings. I think that's Place St. Charles building. Let's see if we can see any more this way. You can see some of the historic buildings down the street. And yeah,